Yeah. You're looking for an all-natural face mask just like this guy here.
Subscribe to our essential oil recipe box because we're giving you 6 steps to natural, beautiful skin, and this is one of them, and you'll be looking amazing. Hi, Katie here.
And Shyla.
From Simply Earth, and we love making our homes more natural using essential oils, and this month we're all about a natural skincare. So this is step 3 of our face care routine, and it's a natural face mask that your skin is gonna love. Shyla, tell them what they need.
You need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, there's another kind of aloe vera that you could potentially
Liquid.
use.
You could use liquid aloe vera gel in this recipe actually, but we're sticking with the gel for this.
So then you'll need 2 tablespoons of the HYDROSOL that is included in your box. It's lavender, which smells really nice.
Beautiful.
You'll also need 1 tablespoon of distilled water for this recipe.
Yep, to make this recipe, you are going to pull out your face mask from your recipe box, if you're a subscriber. It looks like this. It might not seem like a face mask, but I put an extra one here so that me and Shyla can both wear it.
Looks like candy.
Yeah. And we're gonna put it in this bowl, and right now they're compressed. So we're gonna add water, and it's gonna make them pop out. So
Like those little worms that you can use, little firework worms.
So this one is the water, I can tell because the HYDROSOL smells so good. And we're just gonna pour a little bit on it until it starts to grow. See it expand? Woohoo! And you'll also want 1 drop of clear skin, but we're gonna add that at the end, but I'll get it out of the box. So now we're just gonna add the rest of our ingredients to our face mask, so we can go ahead and unfold them. You wanna grab yours? So I've unfolded it. You can just put yours in the bowl with mine. So we're gonna add our aloe vera, and we're going to add our HYDROSOL. Can you grab the clear skin and add a drop?
Got
and
it.
we're gonna make sure that gets mixed in really well. So I'm actually gonna have you put it just in there, and I'm gonna stir that briefly.
You can really smell that clear skin.
And then it's ready to go.
All right.
So you can put it on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, sit back and relax. You don't wanna let the mask dry on your face because that will dry out your skin. So let's go ahead and try it.
And it would probably hurt peeling it off.
Looking good. So go ahead and leave this on your face for 5 to 10
5
minutes.
to 10 minutes. Make sure you take it off after that.
And the way I like to take it off is I like to just peel it off, and then I like to kind of absorb some of the extra stuff that ends up on your face. And if you're interested in making this wonderful recipe or our 6-step natural skincare routine, make sure you subscribe to our essential oil recipe box. We give you the HYDROSOL and the essential oil for this recipe, plus 3 more essential oils and 5 more recipes, plus a bonus diffuser recipe in this box so that your skin will be happy and glowing. All right, go ahead and make your home more natural.
Bye.